all over the strip for about 3 hours. So we will see you guys when we're trying these donuts, and we will see what it's like.
So we're at District Donuts.
And we just got these 2 donuts. Look at, I love this box. This box is,
You open it?
yeah. So here we go.
That's the Parent Trap. The first one, that's the Parent Trap. And that one is...
The pumpkin spice latte donut. Here we go, guys. The lids, cream and sugar are right over here, okay?
Great, thank you so much.
See that?
Their coffees. And we just brought our donuts to our room.
The wraparound terrace.
And Vang's gonna have her first bite of
Pumpkin spice latte donut. Oh my gosh.
spice latte donut.
Look at this, you guys.
Wow, this beast.
This is a little curve. Okay. Okay, here it goes. Oh wow. It seriously tastes like a pumpkin spice latte and a maple donut had a baby. And I don't know, it's a cronut. It's like the fusion of like croissant and donut. Look at that, look at that. Oh, and it's not too sweet. It's really, really nice. Wow. Get a close up.
Morning, guys. It's Thanksgiving Day, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. We're just checking out of our room, the Cosmo. We're gonna head out to a few stops on the way back to LA, making sure that we have all our bags.
Hi.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We got our bags, we got everything. Doing a quick run through, make sure we got everything. Looks pretty good so far. I think we are ready to hit the road, so we'll be right back.
So this is us. We are leaving the Cosmo, going back home. It's a beautiful Thanksgiving morning. Here's Danny.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. So now we're going to this roadside attraction on the way home called 7 Magic Mountains that you guys will see shortly. You can tell I'm a little under the weather today. We both actually kind of caught minor colds again. I knew that was going to happen, but it's okay because we had a blast. But we will see you guys at 7 Magic Mountains.
Got to
7 Magic Mountains.
7 Magic Mountains, and it's freezing and it's like cold and windy out here, as you can see. Yeah, it's pretty gorgeous out here. It's oh, it's cold.
But it's freezing.
Yeah, and you know, we always pass by this place, and
In the past like 6 years, we've never stopped. So
yep, not one, not a single stop. So we're very excited to be here. Kind of check out, you know, what's so special about this place. So yeah, it's called 7
of the week, from I think it's about 9 o'clock in the morning to 5. The only day of the year they close